Now it's a time to tell you another very important term that is used, and the key term that I am going to tell you is function call. I did tell you about the function that you can write a function to do a specific task, my dear. For example, you have written a function and the name of the function is scare.
Yes, sir.
After writing the function, my dear, after writing the function, after defining the function, what can you do, my dear? You can call the function. And when you will call the function, what will be done? The function will be executed. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For a function call, to make you understand about the function call, my dear, I do tell you over
Yes.
here. Say, for example, you have written a function over here to test a number, whether a number that is an input number is a prime or not prime. And the name of the function is prime. What is the name of the function is?
Is prime, sir.
Is prime. After writing this function, after defining this function, after the declaration of this function, what can you do, my dear? You can call the function named is prime. And when you will call the function named is prime, the function is prime will be debugged. The function named is prime will be executed, my dear. Did you understand, my dear?
Yes, sir.